In this video, we're going to take a look at phase diagrams and what they mean. And so here we have the phase diagram for water. And there's a couple of main things that we get out of phase diagrams. First, we have these different regions. These regions are just our states. And then between the regions, we have lines. And this is telling you where a state change will happen. And on our y-axis is our pressure, and our x-axis is our temperature, showing us that at different pressures and temperatures, we have different lines, different conditions we have to meet to go to different phases. So going from solid to liquid is our fusion line or fusion curve, liquid to gas, vaporization, solid to gas, sublimation. Now, we also have a point, the critical point, where you can no longer tell the difference between a liquid and a gas, like we talked about in a previous video, and you get your supercritical fluid. We also have what's called the triple point. The triple point is a certain of conditions where you have both liquid, solid, and gas all existing at the same time. That is what the triple point is called. And for most substances, as you increase pressure, which is being shown here, the freezing point also increases, because as you have a greater pressure, your molecules are being held together more tightly. They're being forced to hold onto each other, being forced into close contact. And so what will happen is that your freezing point will also increase as well. Right, so let's look how we navigate a phase diagram. And it's really great because it can tell us under a certain pressure and temperature where we what state of matter we should be. So if we start at this top line at sea level, 1 atmosphere, you can see as we increase temperature, we go from solid to liquid, and then from liquid to gas, right? And at any point, we can keep the same temperature and just say, well, what will happen if we drop the pressure? And eventually, we're going to get to such a low pressure that we're going to get to a gas. And here we have the triple point for this substance, which is 0.006 atmospheres and 0.01 degrees centigrade. And all substances have a phase diagram, and these substances will also have your triple point and your critical point, your fusion curve, your sublimation curve, and your vaporization curve. So it's not so much that you need to memorize a specific chart, but you need to learn how to read these charts and how to navigate through these charts. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video.